Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by deciding where the clickable link will live. You need the link ready and the target landing page mobile optimized. Once done, open the short's upload screen and paste the URL into the description field. This makes it accessible on watch pages. Make sure the description begins with a clear call to action so viewers know to tap. You do this because shorts rely on overlay and description interactions, not embedded buttons, so placement and wording matter for click-through. Next, upload the video and focus on optimization. Write the first 2 lines of description with a strong call to action and the full URL so it's easy to copy or tap. Once uploaded, add UTM tracking if you want to measure clicks and choose public visibility with relevant tags to boost discovery. Also, pin a comment with the same URL immediately after publishing, because many viewers scroll comments. Pinning increases prominence and the chance they tap the link. Publish the short and promote it. Pin the comment with the link, share the short to your community and other platforms, and watch clicks in YouTube Studio. If the link isn't clickable, check that it includes the full HTTPS/ prefix and confirm your video is public. Sometimes YouTube strips or hides links for restricted content. If viewers report issues, edit the description to re-enter the URL and republish or remake the short. This fix step often restores link functionality quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.